As they say, when in Vietnam, do as the Vietnamese.
We're going on a food tour on motorbikes. This is Wendy. I'll introduce her in a second. Was the office to pay, but also do some shots.
I'd like to offer you some happy water.
And now we're at what I guess is the first food stop. Our guide for the evening is Wendy, and her reputation precedes her because there was tons of awesome reviews about her on TripAdvisor. So I'm really excited that we got Wendy. Anyway, here she is.
Hello. So I'm Wendy. I'm the tour guide from Hanoi Street Food Tour.
How long have you been doing these tours?
Yeah, so I have been doing this tour for about 8 years.
Yeah, we're just trying this green papaya salad with beef jerky and then just some like kind of grilled beef. Got some delicious sort of like sweetie sort of sour sauce to it as well, and some mint.
Perilla leaves.
Sorry, perilla leaves. For all of our Korean viewers, you'll be happy to know we're still eating perilla leaves.
If you're still here, if you started following us in Korea and you're still watching, leave us a comment down below. We really appreciate it.
Stick with us. You never know when we're going to be back. This is a tapioca kind of dumpling, I guess. It's got some pork, got some shrimp. I've got a little bit of perilla leaf on it as well. All right, you dip it in the sauce. Give it a good dip. And
Not allowed to go down there. Wendy really knows her way around these streets.
oh, wait. This is a double Chattanooga representation here.
Chattanooga and Vietnam. Thanks, Sean, for giving me a hat for the CVB.
Thanks, Chattanooga Football Club.
All right, guys. Stop number 2 is fried snacks, which Wendy says goes well with beer, so you have to twist our arm. We'll have 4 beers.
At first, 8 people in the same family, they live together there. And just by selling this fried food, now each of them have several houses in the old water.
Wow.
Yeah. Order for you 6 different things here. The first thing we call is the kilo cake because it looks like kilo. Yeah. Maybe for you it's like empanada.
Yeah.
It's delicious though, it's really good.
And the second one here is called pho, which means the rolled pho. So you know pho, it doesn't mean soup, but it means the noodle. This is the noodle before it's cut into noodle size.
Don't make you watch me eat all 6 of these, but I just had this road pho, which is delicious. It's got beef inside and herbs, and then the really nice textured noodle. So good. All of this is so good.
And then this one is crab spring roll. Crab spring roll. They call it crab spring roll, but mainly pork because crab is much more expensive. Yeah. So many people they are pescatarian and they come here and they see like crab spring roll everywhere. Yeah, they order that, but they will eat it. They will eat pork instead. Yeah. And then we have shrimp dumpling. Shrimp dumpling. So just the shrimp and the dumpling.
But that's definitely a shrimp,
yeah,
right?
Yeah.
That's not pork.
No.
Made to look like shrimp.
Yeah. Yeah. And Vietnamese will often eat the whole shrimp. We don't peel, but if you want, you can peel. Yeah.
What's better than shrimp and some fried bread on it? I mean, that takes like shrimp toast to a whole nother level.
And then we have sweet donut. Sweet donut. So outside sticky rice, inside we have mung bean and coconut. Yeah. So sweet donut, you don't need to dip the the rest you dip in the dipping sauce. And you can wrap with some herbs. Wrap around and dip in here.
Awesome. Thanks, Wendy.
Yesterday on our Hanoi back street tour, but obviously we were in the Jeep. If you haven't seen that video, it is right here. But obviously we couldn't go across it, so this is a pretty cool way to be seen. Gustav Eiffel, who built the Eiffel Tower, also built this bridge.
And they call it the horizontal Eiffel Tower in Vietnam. Yeah.
Because it was Eiffel
Yeah.
that designed it?
No, Eiffel didn't design it.
Oh.
Even his company didn't design it. Yeah, it's just misinformation.
Oh.
Yeah.
I gave you bad information on the back of the bike because I guess I got bad information yesterday. Sorry, Tommy.
They also tried to get the project, but they couldn't get it. Yeah, so it's not related to Eiffel at all. Yeah, they just call it because it's similar to Eiffel Tower. Yeah.
Tommy, if you're watching this, never let the truth get in the way of a good story. I don't blame you. Stop number 3. We just crossed that bridge that, I don't know, if you want more information, look it up. And we are like proper on the side of the road right now. I mean, it's all kind of on the side of the road, but this is like for real side of the road stop. I think we're about to eat clams.
I was totally fine on that bridge. It was a very cool experience being on that bridge. But then this train came out of nowhere and the bridge started wobbling. I wasn't okay anymore.
Well, you got really close to the train.
Yeah. Well, and he like tooted his horn as well when he was going past. That scared me. But the bridge started wobbling and it was like a concrete structure sort of bridge.
Anyway, we're having a great time and I don't even feel remotely bad about Hayes having a babysitter because this is 100% absolutely the kind of thing you cannot do with a 2.5-year-old. We test the limits of what you can do with a 2.5-year-old. There's not a lot of things we'll stop ourselves from doing if we want to do it because we have a 2.5-year-old. There's no way you can do this with a toddler, and so it's a great use of the babysitter. But yeah, there's a lot of things that like you can't, people might say that you can't do with almost 70-year-olds, but these two will prove you wrong. Very proud of them.
Almost 70 with 2 new hips.
Has changed because we're not eating just clam, we're eating quail embryo. I forgot they do that here and we're gonna go to the Philippines so we're gonna have to do it again. Okay, these clams look delicious, but now all I can think about is the embryo that's coming. How many YouTube videos I've watched of other people eating that embryo.
And we do that at home as well.
It's great. Oh, I didn't dip it.
You can use this on like this.
And
You
eat
can
like
take
that.
this on, or you
Look
take
at this
some
cool
of
little
this
instrument. It's just like a metal spike thing.
And then here.
Sauce,
Yeah.
fish sauce,
What
brown
else?
sugar, kumquat,
Want to eat the broth?
herbs.
So Wendy was just telling me, you take a little bit of this dipping sauce, and then a little bit of the broth from the clams. Oh,
Yeah, that's good.
and then give it a sip. Oh, it's delicious.
It's the embryo quail egg.
Oh,
Yeah, it's the stir fry one with tamarind sauce and coconut.
I want to get right into your eyes.
You're going first.
Huh?
You're going first. You always go first. I'm going first. I gotta get it over with. I just eat the whole thing.
No, I'll do it. Okay.
No, I'm going first. I can't watch. I can't.
Go,
The whole thing. Is it crunchy? What should I expect?
Wait
You
1
can
second,
eat
let me
it.
get a
It's
close
really
up of
good.
it.
This is a quail embryo. It's like a fetus.
Yeah.
Somebody open that water, please.
Deep breaths.
Fine.
Yeah. And eat with some
If I didn't know, but I
you
know.
would like it.
But if I didn't know,
Coconut.
coconut. If I didn't know, I would eat like 5 more bites of that, but I'm not going to.
As they say, when in Vietnam, do as the Vietnamese. Yeah, I mean,
Didn't you think it was gonna have like beaky kind of crunchiness?
no.
I thought it was going to be mushy.
It's just sort of like, yeah, it's really,
With the sauce.
thank you. It's really not that bad actually. It's because it's in your head that you think you might not like it, but then you have a couple of bites. The sauce is really delicious. I mean, the sauce is the winner for me. But yeah, not bad. I'm glad I tried that. I was having to psych myself up as well. So it's good.
Friends weren't gonna eat one, and I told them, I was like, I just said you were cool on camera, and that was enough for Mom. She is always striving to be cool. So
1, 2, 3.
your turn.
Now, I want your mom to stand out as being cool.
want a bit of a
I want to bow to her for this one.
I don't know why. I'm not gonna harp on it, but I think I was thinking of balut in the Philippines. It's like, it's the same?
Yeah, but balut is the egg, the duck one. This one is quail one.
Oh. But when you watch people eat balut, it's like, but has bones. I thought it was gonna be crunchy.
No, it's not really crunchy. But also the duck one is the bigger.
Yeah.
And the normal balut, they just boil it and they eat with like fresh herb. So you can really taste the egg more.
Okay.
This one on the tamarind and
That's
coconut.
exactly right.
Yeah, the flavor is the cover.
All right, let us know down below if you would eat this, and we're coming to the Philippines soon. So let us know if you've had this and you've had balut. What's the difference? What should we expect?
11 just said it right though. The texture is really similar to eating a mushroom.
My mom's name is Ellen, but Hayes calls my dad Ken and my mom Ellen 10 and 11. So if you hear Pete refer to 11, that's why. Some time has passed and we've appropriately shamed my father on Father's Day into eating one. So let's go.
You called me a wuss.
I did call you a wuss on Father's Day.
You're going to like it. You're going to want another one.
I like it.
You went in not liking it.
I like the sauce.
Oh, really?
Boom.
Sweatier and sweatier, and it's like a steamed rice crepe kind of thing. I had one actually on our Jeep tour yesterday. I've also been eating these at the hotel for breakfast. I'm sure they're not authentic at all. This place looks great.
To Wendy.
Wendy. Eat it. That's a
Eat
big
it.
bite. That's a really big bite.
Eat it.
Okay.
Eat it.
I can see why that would be even more delicious for breakfast. So good. So good. We've been eating a lot of these in Hoi An. They're all delicious. The bread is really warm. It's so good. It has a lot of pate too, which I like. In the States, when you get banh mi, it often doesn't have the pate, which is the best part.
The best I've ever had.
I love Our Lady in Hoi An, but that is one of the best banh mi's I've ever had. And Wendy said she has this for breakfast often. This is on her way to work, and that she's only taking us to her favorite places. You change the tour up every time. So cool. And something I haven't mentioned yet is that this tour company is 100% female. So we've got Wendy, we also have Siri and Tracy and Hoi driving our bikes tonight. Keeping us safe. Everybody's fabulous and all women, which is one of the reasons we chose this company. I think that's really cool.
Also probably one of the reasons I got on a bike, because I knew I could trust a woman.
The question is Is Ho Chi Minh really in there or is it whacked?
It's the hard-hitting questions
His
on the back of the bike.
was kept inside here.
Huh?
His body. They
The
put-
real,
yeah.
the real body?
Yeah, but their body.
Hayes would love this traffic jam. You decided to show up?
We took the scenic tour. We were seeing the sights.
Wendy told me that Pete was behind looking at the flag. Were you looking at the flag?
No, we lost you guys.
I
called me.
knew he was
So
probably.
we're driving all this traffic, you know, and she's on the phone and we're stopped and whatever. I'm scared to death.
Really?
Yeah, she's on the phone talking to them.
Wendy told me y'all were looking for the flag, watching the flag, but I was secretly worried.
It's coconut ice cream 3 ways. Is that correct? No. It's been a long evening. Is this pandan?
With sticky rice.
Oh, even better.
These guys are talking about how hot it is and how it makes them not hungry, and Pete and I are sitting here wolfing down this ice cream and rice.
Well, you've been here longer. You're more used to it.
It's
We've
your
only been here a few
you've got to do
days.
this because people are counting on watching you eating this food. We don't have to do it. We can be observers.
I am so full. We're headed home. Thank you so much.
Can I ask what the favorite food today?
I forgot what it was called.
Road pho?
Rofa.
That place was my favorite.
Yeah, okay. And how about you?
What was the question, sorry?
Favorite food?
Favorite food? I'm gonna, it's crazy, but the well, that was
The quail leg.
Yes.
Yeah.
Yeah, I mean, I enjoyed it. I didn't expect it, but I enjoyed it. I also really enjoyed chatting with Tracy, who was driving me around. We had lots of conversations when she was taking us to the spot.
Thank you for returning him.
So that's it. So I hope you have a very nice trip in Hanoi and in Vietnam, and hope to see you guys soon again.
What was your
Thank
favorite?
you. I think maybe the fried snack place, the one with the pork and the crab in it.
Yeah. Okay, the spring roll. Okay. Thank you.
Thank you. Have a good night.
Yeah, okay.
Thank you, everybody. Thank you. Great job, everyone.
Thank you.
Thank you.
Bye.